Hiya. Good morning. This is Benoy. Well, it might not be morning while you're watching this video, but it's morning here. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to make these cute little things. You probably already know how to make these, but I was just going to show you. You open it up, and there's little pockets in it. And then you can open it up again, and there's a writing page in there. And so you can either glue it down like this onto your journal, and then they can just open it like this. Just the back corner would be glued down. Or you can slip it in a pocket or through a belly band, or just use it as a card to send to somebody, and then just write your message on the inside. They're just pretty easy and simple to make, so I'm going to show you what I do. You might find a different way that you want to make it, but this is how I do it. Okay, you have to decide which side you want to be the writing side. I would like this side to be the writing side. So I'm going to fold it. And then the hardest thing is if it has an up or a down, you know, like it has flowers or words on it that go a certain way, trying to figure out how, if you close it like this, the words or the flowers or whatever is going to be in the right direction. Anyway, I have a visitor in here today that's helping me. Aren't you helping me today? Huh? Come here. Everybody wants to see my little helper. Here, my little helper today. Hey, Ipsy. Hey, Ipsy. You're the good girl. Yes, she is. Here you go. She's just feeling lonely because I'm in the craft room and not paying attention to her. Yes, she is. So after I fold it into fourths, like I fold it once this way and once this way, just to make a perfect square. And what these papers are, they're just out of an 8x8 pad. This one is by Stamperia. So Stamperia always has double-sided cardstock. I really like Stamperia. I think it's beautiful. And then you're going to cut the corners. Let me get my little corner. And, okay, this corner is not cut yet. This one. So I'm going to cut 4 corners. And you can round the folded edges, but I don't think my good cornerer gave up on me, so I had to get one of these. But anyway, like on this one, you have these folded edges cornered. I'll try to do it with this cornerer, but I don't think it will. It might just be my strength. I don't have any strength in my fingers anymore. There. Now we're going to distress all the sides. All of them. So I'm going to unfold it. And then just distress all the sides. Pretty quick. Pretty easy. I'll turn it over and distress all those sides. And the reason that we distress is, see that white edge? Most cardstock, you can find some every now and then that doesn't have that white edge, but that white edge to me just looks ugly when you use it. Okay, and now I'm gonna do the crease on both sides. There, now it's all stamped. Distressed. Okay, wait, these edges need distressing too. It looks weird if only part of it's done. Anyway, I'm just going to make this short little video today. Doesn't take much time to do this. Okay, so now I want the pockets on the inside. See how this one has little pockets on the inside? So let's see what colors I can get that might go with this. I have a bunch of little cards or leftover. Ooh, that's pretty. That's pretty. That'll go good with that. So I'm just going to basically cut this in half. Ooh, that side's pretty too. Ooh, this is a good one. Which one do I want? I think I'll go with this side. Anyway, so I'm just going to fold it a little bit, find where the crease is, and cut. And it's probably not going to be very straight. I probably should use a, yeah, it's straight enough. Well, maybe I got to cut a little off of this side. I should just use my little cutter, but I didn't. And a little off this side. There, now they're straight. And then I want to corner these, of course. I like to corner and distress everything. Just gives it that finished look, you know. And then we'll distress it. Hope y'all are having a good day. I have another day today of craft room, so I am having a good day. Tomorrow, get my dog room, taking my brother to the doctor. I will have no craft rooming tomorrow, and it makes me sad. So when I know that I have to do something that takes up the next day, and on days that I don't have something taken up, I'm just like a sucker for the craft room. Every now and then I need outside day or a TV day. But days like today are just craft room days. But I do have to take my little dog out every morning and every night. You know what? This one is too long. So I'm going to cut the edge off. And I might as well cut the edge off this one too. And then do the same thing to them. I don't want it to go all the way to the, it was just the exact same size, so it went all the way to the crease. And I just don't like things to go all the way to the crease because then it can impede with the folding. Okay, so I think I want this side up. And this side up. So you're just going to glue around 3 sides. And there you go. That part's done. You could put some little tags or whatever you want in it. I have a bunch of these little tags that I just collect out of packs of paper that I buy, or things I cut out, like little strips. That one, that's a good color to go in there. And then see if I can find something else, a good color to match the green and the pink. There we go. And then I have these little newspapers. Aren't they the cutest little things? Sometimes they say the most interesting stuff from like the 40s and 50s. Ooh, I made this tag crooked. There. And then, let's see, I don't want another newspaper on that side. Oh, I got this little bill of sale. I'll put that in. It's green. That'll go good with it. And maybe this too. Just a little strip of paper that came off something. Anyway, so that's my inside. Now on the front, I want to put a sticker. Let's see. I have this sheet of stickers from Graphics 45. Here is a pretty pink stamp. I wanted to distress it, of course. Of course I do. I'll put this just right in the middle of the front so I'll know what's the top and the bottom. So this is the top. The back is just plain like that. And then when I open it up, they can journal in there. I have a stencil that has lines like on this one. And you can make your own lines if you want it. Or you can just use a ruler to make lines. Or put no lines. You don't have to put anything on it. Or if you wanted to put stickers on here or a border, you could do that. On most sticker sheets that you get, you have these borders. And as you can see, I've used a bunch of the borders on here. But you can use those as borders like that. That one right there would be pretty with this paper. The orange one would be pretty. Even that blue one would be pretty. But anyway, I like to keep everything I get in a box. And then whenever I'm making stuff like this, I can just pull something out and use it. Well, isn't that one so cute? But anyway, these little stickers, most of them came out of a pack, Tim Holtz pack. I don't know if y'all are familiar with Tim Holtz, but Tim Holtz makes distress ink, packs, alcohol ink. He just makes all kinds of stuff, and it's all perfect for junk journaling. I mean, I've probably bought everything that he's ever sold at one time or another for something. But you can get his stuff on Amazon. Look at this cutest little tag. Isn't that the cutest thing? But anyway, look up Tim Holtz on Amazon if you've never bought any Tim Holtz stuff, and you'll just fall in love with it like I did. But here's the little one I made today. So simple, so easy, but so nice to have something different in the journal, and they just keep getting surprised. They open it up, and then they have these surprises on the inside, and open it up, and then have this one, however you want to decorate it. Or not decorate it at all, just leave it all as journaling. But anyway, that's how you do it. I appreciate y'all watching. Bye.